In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install VestaCP on Ubuntu in DigitalOcean. If you're new to VestaCP, it's a simple and efficient control panel for web hosting, and today we'll go through the entire setup process together step by step. To kick us off, navigate to DigitalOcean.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're in, find the Create Droplet button and click it. A droplet is essentially a virtual private server, and this is where VestaCP will reside. Up next, you'll be prompted to choose an operating system. I recommend selecting Ubuntu 22.04. It's the latest stable release and works seamlessly with VestaCP. Once you've selected Ubuntu, move on to choosing a plan. DigitalOcean offers a variety of pricing options based on your needs, so go ahead and select one that suits your requirements. Here's where you'll also need to add an SSH key or set a root password, ensuring secure access to your server. After this, confirm everything by clicking Create Droplet. With our server ready, we must now connect to it. Use SSH via your terminal or any preferred SSH client. Type in SSH root at your droplet IP, replacing your droplet IP with the actual IP address of your droplet. Hit enter and you'll be inside your server, ready to proceed. Before we install VestaCP, it's crucial to update the server. Run the command apt update and an apt upgrade by Y. This ensures that all packages are current, avoiding potential conflicts during installation. Now let's download the VestaCP installer. Enter http vestacp.com/pubc/vst install sh in your server's command line. Once downloaded, it's time to run the installer. Simply execute bash vst install.sh to initiate this process. During installation, you'll have options to select which software packages to include. Press Y for the default setup. It's comprehensive yet straightforward for most users' needs. Following that, enter your email address and a hostname, such as server.yourdomain.com. This info is vital for configuration. The installation will take roughly 10 to 15 minutes, during which you can grab a coffee. After completion, you'll see a message that includes login details and the URL to access VestaCP and your subdroplet IP 8083. Keep these credentials safe as they're necessary for accessing the dashboard. Now open your browser and navigate to https://yourdroplet IP 8083. You'll reach the VestaCP login page. Use the admin credentials provided earlier to gain access, and that wraps up our tutorial. You now have VestaCP running on your Ubuntu server. Enjoy managing your web hosting environment with ease and feel free to explore all the features VestaCP has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!